everybody. It is Thursday, day 6 of our trip, and we are walking up to the main building to go eat some yummy breakfast. We are hungry and we are taking it easy this morning. Yes, we are going to Animal Kingdom. It is 8 o'clock right now, so we're just gonna get there when we get there. We're gonna go eat some yummy food, and we're just gonna have a chill day. On the agenda, hopefully, is animal this morning. Mosey around, pin trade, maybe hit a few rides, maybe see a few shows. I'd kind of like to see the Lion King show.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah, anyways, we're going to do that. And then we're going to go to Epcot tonight, which will be lovely after our break. So, yesterday I feel was like a little chaotic just because we were all separate and we weren't all together. But I'm really thinking today it's going to be a nice chill day. And then tomorrow is our last day. Isn't that crazy? Ooh, I like what you did to your hair.
Thanks.
I can't believe tomorrow's our last day. Boo. Boo, says Daddy. But
I walk into traffic.
right. But you know what? All good things must come to an end. So we will look forward to our next trip, which is already booked.
But we still got 2 full days this trip.
2 full days, and
Gonna make
Daddy's
the most of them.
Daddy's double hey-haying right now.
Hey.
Okay, we'll see you in a little.
Breakfast was a smashing success. C and I shared tachos. C and me, C and I. C
and
I shared tachos, so C and I. Them two back there, if you can see them, had Mickey waffles. And now we're headed to the bus stop to head to the kingdom. Let's do this. Epcot. Alright. We made it to the kingdom of the animals. Animal Kingdom. First things first, we're going on a safari.
What?
I just made that up. I don't really know what we're doing. Yeah, I think that there's a long line, so that's probably not what we're doing first. I was just talking. But, point is, we here.
Try it over here, please.
We are now headed to Dinosaur. Hopefully. I mean, that's where we're headed.
That's true.
Hopefully, it's still up. Is that what we're hoping
Well,
for?
and it's still like quick.
It shows 5 minutes.
It's not going to be 5 minutes.
It shows 5 minutes.
They're lying to you.
It shows 5
Do you
minutes.
see all these people walking this way?
Who knows where they're going? They're not going to Dinosaur.
Okay. Nothing else is back here now.
It's just us.
Okay. I
Just
like
us.
it.
5 minutes. Disney wouldn't lie. Now showing 10 minutes.
Up here! It's me, Guy, the science guy. Hello there! Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
feel about your last ride on Dinosaur?
Sad.
Yeah. Indiana Jones is going to be cool, but
Yeah.
we'll miss Dinosaur. How are you feeling about your last ride on Dinosaur?
It's a little sad.
Yeah.
But I'm just gonna try and enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Soak it all in.
Take it
We'll
all
get to ride it in October.
Yeah, we will.
Okay, so we should get it one more.
Here we go.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino. Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! And identified.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right! That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace your... They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Hi, Goofy.
Hey, Goofy. Hello, everyone.
Okay, yeah, Goofy's gonna tell us what to do.
You tell us what to do.
You two switch.
Okay.
You're getting in the middle. Okay, perfect. That's two switch. That's two switch. Okay, got it. Forget. So cute. All right.
Okay, now we're gonna go see about watching Lion King. We haven't watched it the last trip, I think, so we're excited to watch it.
And the vibe is vibing.
Yeah, and it's not like super.
Again, stroller parking will be in this courtyard at the end of the road here. They will not be allowed inside our queue unless they have the wheelchair check.
Festival of the Lion King. Maddox has his Mufasa shirt on. He is ready to roll.
Welcome! We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you one and all to the Festival of...
And they're gonna show us what kind of sound a giraffe makes. Enter the giraffe. Go! Bad. That's right! Well, I didn't know what it sounded like, and you're correct. They make a low, bleating sound, kind of like a sheep. All right, giraffe, you're gonna turn around. Put those necks up in the air. Just like this. And bleat. And there you have giraffe.
Very well then. It is time. I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun. Come on, everybody, get ready to clap your paws.
Over him now. Let me hear you, trumpet, triumphant!
Hi, everybody. You are right on time. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
And on the mission here, it's showtime! Alright now, overside. And Simba, let's settle down. In a nice time. Right, one, quiet! Thank you, Maestra. What a wonderful phrase. Ain't no passing parade. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? Is at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder? Let's hear it for the Tumble Brigade!
Listen, I get it. It's just the way the system works. But the lightning lane, or not having the lightning lane, just killed us on this ride. It's supposed to be a 25-minute wait, but the lightning lane just flowed. So I think it's been about a 45-minute wait. But that's alright. So we're going to do this. We're going to get wet probably. And then we're going to go to Old Key West for lunch. And let's see what happens from there.
I'll never forget that kid that just kept
Just
Maddox.
blasting Maddox
Yeah,
in the
just
face
blasting.
from the bridge.
Yeah.
Just laying it on. It was. He was frustrated in the moment, but it was funny too.
Refilling every single seat. 5 to 6. 1, 2, 3.
What we're getting ourselves into, right?
Man, it really takes you out with that one. You really think you're gonna get like in the splash zone, and then it's a gentle little drop. Oh!
Rotating.
Oh no! Oh no! Gotcha a little bit. It keeps wanting to get y'all.
I know. We're in the money seat. It just spins so fast. We always get them.
Who's going to go? No, it's going to be us. Here we go, here we go. That is good.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, we're going fast.
Whoa.
Good?
Good.
All your gear. You'll need it for your next adventure. Thank you.
We survived the rapids. It actually feels really good. I think maybe me and Maddox got it the worst. I'm not sure. Oh yeah.
It got me all over here.
We all got it a little bit. Okay, off to Old Key West.
Yeah, we're gonna stop by the gift shops and maybe do a little pen trading, and then yeah, we're headed out.
Heck yeah. Animal Kingdom, you were good to us this trip.
Yes, it was fun. Hot, but fun. But even for end of May, almost June, lovely.
Yeah. I concur with that assessment.
Not expensive.
Done.
Oh yeah, Trey.
It's not dry.
So
That sucker could come in here and suck us dry.
It's so cool.
It's massive.
They are massive. Way bigger than I thought. Yeah, I thought they were tiny. I don't want one of those in my house.
Just follow the yellow brick road. Do, 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 do. Oh, he's sleeping.
Oh,
Did the baby.
look at the you see him on the they're so cool. Oh,
Gosh, that is some massive bamboo. Content creator capturing the content creator in its natural habitat.
we're going in the burning.
They crave for content.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Close your mouth if you look up.
For content.
Oh, John, look at that bird right there.
Oh shoot, he almost got stepped on.
He is so cute. He's happy. He's running through the trees.
Look at that pretty one.
I have seen them go to greatness, but most of them go back.
Thank you. You did it.
Okay, I lost the bet last night. Cinderella did not fly, so I had to buy her a pin.
Tinkerbell
And this
did
is,
not
or
fly.
Tinkerbell, I'm sorry.
Cinderella did fly.
That's what I meant.
That was weird, man.
Okay, so here's our
Cinderella
blind
flew
box.
instead of Tinkerbell.
Bag, blind bag.
Oh, it's an Avengers A.
Oh, bummer. I'm sorry.
No. That's not a bad thing. I got a kid. Ray.
We already had
Nice. I don't have that one. Okay, there we go.
You got a couple traders.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
I'm sorry.
What? Oh, what are you sorry for? I'm not sorry. Whoa. Okay.
getting that quality family time in while we wait
Yeah, we are technically all
on lunch here at Old Key West.
Oh, I just flooded the board. Lewis is gonna win.
Anyway, we're waiting on lunch. C and I got some burgers. Maddox got some chicken. Kalina got a salad. And we started with some hush puppies. Yeah, that's what those are called. Hush puppies. So, here we are. This is our first time eating here.
It's so cute.
We have stayed here. Kalina and I stayed here on our anniversary trip last year for our 20th anniversary, but we didn't eat here. And we're also staying here for our anniversary trip in October.
Yeah.
So that'll be the next trip after this one.
Yeah. Crazy. Can't believe we're already almost done.
Boo.
I know.
We got a day and a half left.
Yeah.
It's just lunchtime.
At 2 o'clock.
Yeah. We've been waiting for a minute, but it's okay. It's going to be worth it.
Yeah.
We got a chicken Caesar salad.
No chicken looks amazing. Yes.
We got a fried chicken.
I don't know why you thought that was
I think it was called the bacon jam burger. And the Caesar just got a plain old, good old fashioned cheeseburger.
It's a classic.
Yeah, classic. Here we go. Okay, that burger, y'all, was delicious. It was so much food, though. I couldn't finish it. I want to finish it, but I can't. I definitely recommend the food here. We all thoroughly enjoyed our meals.
I don't know about food, but I did.
Yeah, so that was perfect. We just took the ferry over from Old Key West where we had lunch, dropped us right here at Springs, and now we're walking back to our room, which is just right around the corner here. That worked out very well. Now it's time for our afternoon break from the heat and the activities. We'll go chill at the room for a couple hours. We may go swimming. We've done that most days, at least myself, Caesar, and Kalina have. And then we'll get cleaned up again and head out for the evening. An evening at Epcot? We're going to Epcot, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we have a Guardians Lightning Lane at Epcot tonight. So that's where we're spending the evening.
A new world, custom made just for you.
Do
Ready?
it.
Let's stay home. Conservation in nature. In the country. The mountains. All natural materials. Flowers. Carpool.
Well done. Now along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Thanks to you, the color of the future
Our
is green.
faces.
Your car runs on environmentally friendly fuels, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy.
Oh,
You'll
and
grow
this is
beautiful
cute.
flowers in your garden using recycled water
didn't
or
get our
distilled
faces.
seawater. Your green home will have its own water recycling system, and the walls will be built of natural materials like earth, wood, and rocks, which also provide great insulation for low energy consumption.
Didn't she just...
Without sacrificing your comfort, your living room can be an actual living room, with real grass providing a natural carpet. And the mountains are never far away, thanks to digital displays that can create the environment you prefer. You can live the good life and the green life in your home in the country, because in the future, every day is Earth Day. Okay.
He looks like this in one of them.
Holding for safety check. Go. We are go.
Welcome to Dinosaur 15, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Team 4 can follow me first, and the rest can follow after that.
Ready to go to space?
Attention
I'm
astronaut
ready.
candidates. You have selected Orange Team More Intense Training.
Now are
If
you
you are
ready to
prone
go
to
to
motion
space?
sickness
Now I'm
or
ready.
made uncomfortable by
I'll give you a wake-up call when you get to Mars.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Okay, now listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll fire the thrusters for lunar orbit insertion and for descent to the surface of Mars. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger the second stage rocket. You'll also deploy the shields. Commander, during the mission, you will be initiating lunar orbit and descent. Pilot, the X-2 is an excellent ship. All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shields. Surgeon, how are we doing?
This is Mission Control.
We are still waiting for clearance to launch. Everything is A-OK, and countdown should resume shortly.
Cabin pressure's at 14.73.
Oh no, what's it gonna get to? Scared?
Good luck, team. All of us
Here we
here
go,
at Mission
here we
Control
go.
are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff.
We got this crew too.
Mission Control, this is the fire team. Give us the go and go for you are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission Control to Mars X2. You are go. Throttle up. Commander, initiate first stage separation.
I got it.
Zero G confirmed.
We're in space.
You're looking good, team. Pilot,
Engage velocity 15,000. 16,000.
you should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon.
Hold.
Beautiful sight, isn't it? Something to dream about on the way to Mars. Engineer, rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem.
Beginning evasive maneuvers.
This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site.
Proximity alert.
Pilot, deploy the shield. Now.
Good job, pilot.
Shield deployed.
We're ready for deorbit burn. We've lost autopilot.
We're coming in hot.
Commander, activate manual control.
Got it.
All hands on the control stick.
Take control.
Pull back. Pull back.
Pull back.
Left. Pull left. Watch the canyon wall. Now right. Ease is left.
They're coming in too hot.
Nice and easy.
Just hold it steady.
Runway ends in 1,000 feet. 200
Watch the
feet.
barrier.
50 feet.
Down and clear.
Alert. Location canyon edge.
Don't move.
Don't move.
A muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay, we made it to Connections Cafe. Now we are just waiting on our dinner, our mobile order. It's 7:51. We should have it at 8:05.
I can tap in, sorry. I'm interrupting you.
No, it's okay. It is very busy in here because it is raining hard outside, so we just felt lucky to get a table. Because everybody's hiding out. But we got our ponchos, so we can be mobile if we need to be. Waiting on our food, we're gonna eat, and then I think we're heading out.
Right.
Yeah. All right, we got some cheese pizza. Me and Clean are sharing that. And then we got a couple burgers and truffle fries. They're up getting their drinks right now. So I'm holding the fort down. Like a good dad.